Okay, hi everyone. It's I'm not sure what time it is right now, but we are going away, I think, and it's pouring outside, so I'm going to meet Stuart outside. So I'm going to put you guys there, and I'm going to go get my shoes over here. Well, just come with me because I'm coming. So I'm going to get my shoes. So I'm going to sit down. You still out there? Stuart! You still out there? Okay, I'll get my shoes on. What you did? I'm coming. Okay. What is that? Ah! Mom, I need you to zip up my jacket. Wait, I forgot my wallet. I'm zipping my jacket.
No.
Mom,
What?
I asked you first.
What?
Jeez.
Hey, zip up my jacket.
Doesn't even matter.
I was with Grumpy.
Well, I asked you.
Well, there.
So, it doesn't even matter.
Well, where's Grumpy? We ought to time.
Ah!
She's a bit prank now.
I'm actually filming. I was filming, Stuart! How do you know I was filming? Okay. It's wet. Compared to earlier, this is the wettest bit. So, this is the wet bit. This one's got a proper wet. One speaker to that. So, yes, this is what we're doing. Dry, so if you didn't just see me then, sorry. Okay, so I'm gonna keep the cat the thing wet and the dry. Keep saying that. Look at the bins. So wet. So wet it's gonna ruin the screen, I think. I'm not sure. This is really wet. That bed's good. Oh my goodness. I'm so going to do that in the video. video. Huh? Huh? A video with you in it. A video with you in it.
Is the only reason you came out here to make a video, or you come out here to help me with my chickens and help me?
Chicken.
We're going to be friends at Christmas.
Chicken probably. Go away. Go away, Andy! There's a big massive puddle down there. Grass. I came out for both, by the way. It's good. Huh? Well, I'm going to bite her then.
Get your puppy on her.
We've got a puppy, so what are you talking about?
What do you want?
Huh?
Secret Santa present?
I've not got a Secret Santa, so what are you talking about?
I bought you a puppy as a Secret Santa present.
What are you doing?
Oh, I'm getting shit.
What are you doing?
Telly on.
Huh?
I was putting the telly on.
Thought we were going to run.
Yeah.
Seems like Saturday.
She's 40, she's sexy, she's glam. Now introducing the Michael Kors
I'm 60.
Sorry about that, he's been rude. Sorry. Sorry. Okay. So, the house, and if you just saw it, Captain Stuart. Aye. Brian mostly come upstairs. Oh well.
What are you doing up? I don't YouTube. As long as you got me use it.
No, I can't cut people it. Alright, well, I'm gonna sleep upstairs. Look at. I'm not. I'm not. Since you just did that. Oh. Loves and I don't want to. Pure rocking around the Christmas tree, and I hate that holiday. Voices singing, let's be jolly, deck the hills of holly, rocking around the Christmas tree, and I hate that holiday. Voices singing, let's be jolly, deck the bells with hills of holly, rocking around. Please. Mountains. Seems that everyone's trying to get better. The voices singing, let's be jolly. Take the bells with bells of holly, rocking around. I feel her always, and I feel her same, but I'm with you too, and I know it's fun, but I know it's always all. If I can see the light on your face, then I will do $1,000,000 living lifestyle.
Cameron. You know, that same thing happened to me one time.
Friends.
When did that happen to you? Don't you remember we were jogging in the park, saw that really pretty bird, and I wanted to take a picture, but I didn't have my camera. Okay. First of all, chasing the churro guy is not jogging.
Oh, this is so good. You've got to try it.
Oh, damn, I got it on my pants.
Here, I'll get it. We better take these off upstairs or that stain's gonna set.
No, where do you pants are they tonight?
Oh, great.
Hey, bye. Oh my God.
That was unbelievable.
Okay, see, I told you.
Yeah, wow, sorry, man.
I don't believe the brother and sister. The brother and sister?